What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Stocks, and in this video we shall be taking a good look at CoreWeave. So it's been a while since I made a video on CoreWeave, over a month now. Apart from yesterday, it's been over a month since I updated us on my YouTube channel. So sorry about that. It won't repeat this again. It won't repeat itself again because obviously, as you can see, I've been regretting every day, every week for not updating you guys. I'm so sorry, but I'm back right now. So you could see clearly right here that I'm currently recording this video by 1:41 a.m. That's to show you guys how locked in I am right now on this channel and also my crypto channel. So given the situation of things right now, you could see it clearly that CoreWeave is majorly bearish. From my previous video, I made it known to us that we could probably see CoreWeave dropping all the way down to this major support at 83 dollars, and based on what I can see right now, that has played out and we've obviously gone below that level, as you can see. So right now, the real question right now is, okay, where do we go from here? Where do we go from here? Because we've majorly broken this major support, even right here, this major trend line, we've broken it. Even if I intend, shifting it, adjusting it, we've broken below it. So what should we expect right now from CoreWeave? So I could probably draw something from here, then down to this major level right here, just maybe we could end up getting some positive levels right here which we could like watch out for. So you could see right here that this is definitely the resistance where I drew this fib level from all the way down here. So I'll probably log this. Yep, I'll probably log this, and this is currently where we are right now. This is where we are. From the monthly, I can say this is definitely how I'm going to put it. From the weekly, this is it. From the daily, this is what we are talking about right here from the daily. So without wasting much of your time, I shall be diving straight into the chart right now. So given the situation of things right here, you could see it clearly that it has majorly retested a major resistance right here. So if I should end up taking this away from here, just because I want the chart to be clean, or to look less noisy, you could see it clearly that we have gotten rejected from a major resistance, guys, a very serious major resistance. You could see we broke below this major level at $83, dropped all the way to this level, came here to retest $84.19, a very critical level. You could see we got rejected from there, so we're most likely going to be dropping all the way down to $64.69. So I think this is definitely what we need to take note of. There could be a chance we would even drop all the way down to majorly $58. I do not know, but this is just definitely how things could be. Or we would probably find support around here, all the way around here, probably $62.90, and we could rally probably much higher from here. But once we are breaking above $83, I think we need to find major retest before rallying even much higher right here. So things are definitely looking bearish. In terms of the news right here, we could see that in terms of news relating to CoreWeave right here, yeah, I think this is definitely the news. Yeah, so this news is obviously related to CoreWeave. So obviously this is the headline. These high flying tech stocks are down 65%. Here is how to shop the sell of the one big investment idea. So given the situation of things, the future is on sale right now. Investor Shea Bolo wrote in a recent expose highlighting steep losses across companies tied to nuclear power, quantum computing, space, robotics, and AI. And obviously, based on what you can see here, CoreWeave is one of those stocks which is hugely down, roughly 60%. NVTS down 63.76 here for Oklo. So many things right here and kind of looking really funny, given the situation of things right now. So I think without even wasting much of our time, majority of this, you could see the group spans several of the market's hottest long-term themes. Oklo is tied to advanced nuclear power, Ion Q to quantum computing, and Rocket Lab, obviously, and Space Mobile to space, and CoreWeave and SoundHound AI to the AI build out. So majorly based on what we can see right here, we could see that amongst 21 selected stocks, the median is down roughly 65% from its record high right here. So, this is definitely what we are definitely experiencing right now. And based on this article, the hard part begins after the markdown. A stock that is down 65% is not automatically 65% off. Anchoring can turn the old high into a false reference point, making today's price look cheap even when that earlier valuation was built on expectations that no longer hold. The recovery hurdle also grows much faster than the original loss, as the table shows. So majorly what this is just trying to say is that, okay, it's not all high due to the fact that there's a whole lot of companies right here that have to do with AI, quantum computing, and all what's not, that rallied so massively, which means overvalued. They were majorly overvalued. So, the fact that they might be, I might be saying something like, okay, we could see it dropping all the way down to $50 and recovering from there, doesn't mean that we are most likely going to see a recovery. We could end up dumping all the way down to probably $10, $5, because, obviously when people end up looking at it and realizing, they will just end up realizing that, okay, what they thought was all that was actually not all that. So, I think that's just definitely what we need to know. At the end of the day, it all depends on, it all falls back to, okay, who is that company? Which company amongst all these companies that came out rallying or came out boasting that they are the best, they are the only one, they are the one and only reliable? Which one is actually the genuine stock, the genuine company that renders good services, that manufactures great products for people to use long term, not just short term hype? So this is definitely, which I think the best way to go about this is by just, sitting back, laying back, sitting on your hands and just realizing that, okay, the market can just do its thing while you sit back and watch the market as it does its thing. So I think that is definitely what we need to take note of right here. Things are still looking bad. The market is looking at its worst right now, but we don't know how worse it can get from here. So I think that is definitely what we need to take note of right here. So without wasting much of your time, if you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.